Now students, we will continue our chapter. I told you that Ravi describes the problem he is facing. People always tell us to be kind to animals, but when we are they scream, oh, don't bring that dirty creature here. Ravi said that don't bring this dirty creature here because he believed what the people saying. People always tell us to be kind to animals. It was so hard to get little milk from kitten. Pati saw him with a glass of milk in hand and looked suspiciously. So he had to drink most of the milk to throw her off the scent. Pati asked the tumbler back from the kitten. It was so hard to get little milk from the kitten. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran, he said Ravi. Mahendran. This little kitty's name is Mahendran. The name of the little kitty is Mahendran. Mridu was impressed because it sounded like a real name. So Mridu was very impressed that it was sounded like a real name, Mahendran. Ravi tells the kitten, full name is Mahendra Verma Palwa Punnai, fine breed of cat. Compares the fur of cat with lion's name. Ravi also questions Mridu about the emblem of ancient Palwa king. Mridu giggled then because she never heard the name like this, Mahendra Verma Pallava Punnai. It is a fine breed of cat. Ravi asked Mridu, have not you been to Mahabalipuram then? Have you? Ravi asked from Mridu. He tells that when he last went there, he saw a statue of his tatas, etc. Fact is, Mahendran is a descendant from that ancient act. Ravi concluded then that this cat is a descendant of Mahabali Puram Rishi cat. Ravi asked Mridu, have not you been to Mahabalipuram? And fact is that Mahendran is a descendant from that very ancient egg. Meena and Mridu exchanged looks. What does that have to do with anything? Mridu demanded. Huh, I'm telling this cat is descendant. Who said? Mridu. From the Egyptian cat god, no goddess. That's it. Now, Mahendra looked up, very alarmed. He was sharpening his claws on the edge of coconut shell. Then there was a sound of screech. A weird sound came from the window. Mridu was startled then. Why Mridu was startled? Because there was a sudden sound of screech. A weird sound came from the window then. MP Punnai was frightened, very frightened. He bounced on a tray of red chilies, trying to hide beneath it. Then he tipped a few chilies over himself. Then there was a sound of mew, mew, mew. He howled miserably then. At that time, MP Punnai was very frightened. He bounced on a tray of red chilies, tried to hide beneath it. Ravi tells that that's Lali learning to play violin. He compares Master singing like a train whistling on and on, while Lali's train is derailing. Ravi tells that that's Lali learning to play violin at that time. He compares Master singing like a train whistling on and on while Lali was learning. he compared the sound with whistling, train whistling. Then A Gift of Chappals by Vasanta Surya we will discuss later on.